How to book a service with Handiwerx. To book a request, select one of the service tiles from the booking menu. These service tiles are a general starting point and should be used as a reference for your repair. Please select the service category that best describes your needs. Don't worry about accuracy just yet. After selecting job type, please tell us if your repair needs are residential or commercial by tapping the job type located at the top of the page. The red dot will indicate your selection. Next step is to pick a date and service window for your repair. Services can be booked as early as the next day. However, after your job is accepted by a service provider, same-day service can be arranged in some cases, depending on the schedule of you and the provider via our chat feature. Be sure to glance at the pricing formula by swiping left on the card display before clicking Next. This page is where you'll have the opportunity to fine-tune the details of your request. Our system requires a photo or video, or a combination of both, accompanied by a job description. Please give us as many details as possible and include pertinent information to ensure the instructions are clear. Your service provider will contact you for more details if necessary. Be sure to select the correct property for your repair. The system will automatically select your personal address. So if you have multiple properties listed to your account, be sure to select the correct address by clicking the right pointing arrow next to the address on the screen. If this repair is for a rental property, be sure to check the box to notify your tenants. An email will be sent out on your behalf to notify tenants with the service date and time. The last step to submit your request is the payment page. We will not charge your card until after your repair is completed. We use the same payment processor as all your other favorite app-based service providers and do not store your card details in our system. If you have a promo code or referral code, now's the time to cash in on that discount. If you're using a service code provided by a landlord or property owner, be sure to select the service code option at the top of the page and enter in the service code in the text field below. Please note, the person who gave you the code must accept your request before it enters the Handiwerx system for repair. Check the box to agree to our terms of service and click Submit. You're all set. After your request has been accepted by a service technician, a chat window will open in the app that allows you and the technician to communicate directly. If you're a service code user, the chat window will open for you the service requester, the account holder who issued this code, and the technician to allow everyone to get in on the conversation in real time. In the event that life happens and plans change, the system has the flexibility to handle these unexpected events. We can keep your request active for as long as it takes to get the wheels back on track. And because payments are only taken at the end of your repair, you'll never be charged unless a service has been completed. While your job is in progress, you can view the technician's GPS location in real time from the job card on your device. What happens if your repair was completed but we missed a spot? The chat window will remain open with a 48-hour callback window before the job request is closed out in our system. See you at your next request. We'll bring the tools.